There is a fear that almost every golfer over 60 carries. They don't talk about it at the clubhouse, they don't bring it up with their body, but it's there every single round. Is the fear of becoming the one who slows everybody down. And today, I want to talk about that a little bit. But better yet, I want to talk to you about one guy that I worked with about 2 years ago who almost left the game in fear because the game was going to be taken away from his social circle was going to be taken away from him. And so I want to tell you a little bit about Robert. He's 67, he was retired, and since he was retired, he tended to play 4, maybe 5 times a week, which means golf was his thing. He came to me not because he was in serious pain, but because he was more embarrassed than in pain. I mean, listen, when we met, he told me, hey, listen, Carlos, I used to be the guy everybody wanted in their group. And now I'm the guy that they're all waiting on. By hole 12, his back will seize up. He will slow down. Then he start playing very cautiously, which of course meant shorter swings, less commitment to his shot, worse scorecard. And the tips and the tricks that his buddies were giving him, they kind of felt a little bit patronizing, borderline embarrassing, which I am sure made things a little bit worse. He drove home after every round running the same thoughts. How long before they stop calling me? He tried lessons. He tried a new driver. He even tried resting. Nothing changed because none of those things were solving the actual problem. What Robert's body needed was actually an assessment that can reveal what the swing test did. It was the deep, sweet core stabilizers, muscles that brace the spine and your hips before any rotations were essentially offline. By the time he got on the course, he was just playing with no stabilizers during his movement. His body learned to protect itself by limiting movement. The cautious swing wasn't mental, it was neurological. He wasn't getting weaker, he was not aging out of the game of golf. His body had built a protective pattern around an old injury, and nobody had never addressed this pattern, just the symptoms. After working together for 3 weeks, something shifted. And I'm not talking about his swing, not his, but his body's willingness to move. He texted me after a round saying, made it through 18 holes, no issues. Boys did not have to wait once. That text is what I do this work. Robert's story isn't unique. I sing this version of it 50, 60 times since I've been doing this for over 20 years. The fear is real, but so is the fix. And it's nothing to do with your swing. That's the one reason I built this program, because guys like Robert. It's called the No Flare Ups on the Course. And a 7 to 14 days module specifically for golfers over 60 whose bodies are limiting their game, not their swing, their bodies. Now, right now it's on beta 2.0 version, so meaning it just got revised, which is why when you click below, the price will be so low because I want real golfers testing it and giving me feedback with this new version. So if Robert's story sounds familiar, if you're carrying that same quiet fear, this is where you start. Just check the link below in the description, check it out, and get me know what you think.